All right, everybody. I'm going to show you how to use the scale tool in AutoCAD with a reference. So I have my site plan. I made a PDF, and I made sure that I right-clicked and made some distance lines here. You need to use those for reference because we're going to make this life size. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line from the 0, turn off my ortho mode, which is F8, turn that off, and go to 100. I don't know how big this line is right now, but I want it to be 100 feet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the scale command. The scale command is SC, spacebar. In the command line below, you can see it says select objects. I'm going to select, using a window, I'm going to select my line, and I'm going to select my PDF. You can only select your PDF or image files by selecting the outside edges of them. I'm done selecting, so I'm going to press the spacebar. Now, specify base point is what the command line says. That's where do you want this to get bigger or smaller from. I'm going to click on my line, and you can see that it's kind of giving you a preview. Now, I don't want to click again. What I want to do, when I look at the command line, it says scale factor, copy, or reference. If I typed in 2, it would make this twice as big. If I typed in 0.5, it would make it half as big. I don't want to do that. I want to make sure that this line is exactly 100 feet. I could do that by typing in R for reference. R, spacebar. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to click. I have my object snap on, which is F3. So I get my little helper grips there. So from this side of the line to this side of the line, I want it to be 100 feet. Feet is the button to the left of enter on your keyboard. Type in 100 feet, enter. Now it's going to make that line 100 feet, and it's going to scale your PDF up to being life size. It's going to be pretty close. It's not going to be exact, but it'll be pretty close. So now this line here is 100 feet. I'm going to double check it by using the list command. The list command is LI, spacebar. I'm going to pick that line, and it says 100 feet under length for that. So that's how you use the scale reference command